Hi, in this video, we will see how to increase the font size in MySQL. Okay, so in our previous video, we installed MySQL server and Workbench. So in the Workbench, I want to increase the font size. So let me go to Workbench. So if I write some code here, select star from employee, something like that. So the font is very small. So I want to increase this font size. So for that, go to File, go to the Preferences, go to Edit. This is Edit. Go to Edit and click on this Preferences. So in the Preferences screen, go to Fonts and Colors here. Fonts and Colors. Here, the size is 10. So change it to some 20. Okay, I change it to 20 and then click on OK. So, but see, this is not changed. So what we need to do, close this and open again. And now you see, the size, the font size is increased. So this is how you can increase the font size in your MySQL. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates.